take a picture?
Of course not. What are you doing?
Checking my own channel. Looking at you. See? That's you! It's our second day in Bantayan. The second time around. For this year.
Correct.
So for this day, why are you not talking?
What's the time?
It's 12:43.
Ah, the day is gone.
And it's our
So
breakfast/lunch. It's also okay that I had a long sleep. I just hope I'm gonna get better.
you're gonna go buy your biogesic now.
What is it called?
Fucking pills.
What is it called?
Pills.
No, the
That's it.
first word. A specific word. Specific name of the pills.
Pero deal. Bye bye.
Mili kami dito sa parang Chinese na bilihan, guys. Bibili Martin ito na yung kanya kasi naiwan sa Denmark. Tapos pag bumili ka talaga ng original, it would cost like 2,000, 3,000 pesos. Ito 385 lang naman. Tapos gagamitin lang niya for I don't know, gamitin na niya ng mga 3 days dito. Tapos uwi na ng Denmark. So I think it's good.
You can actually adjust.
See?
Adjust very little.
Ang babae. Ah! Where's my husband? Pero hindi ano yung sakit ba? Lawas. Kung ano di ako na kung sakit ba? Ha? Kung na natin hindi magpupromotor pa,
highwayman. Di nya sa pagkita ko na ako sa dagat ba layo ra sa bukol o.
Layo na. Kahapon na kay low tide na rin ako na. Nagmana sa pagkilas ko ba? Tapos kung napalang mama nangitas na siya.
Nangitas.
Pagkilas na ako. Ano naman kita yung halpon yun ba? Mamalain natin. Malakaw na tanan ba?
Dire? Madulo man dire. Balakta na oy.
Ha, dahil hindi ako paglakaw ay parang mudawak ka. Hindi na siya nidawak na kumagpagpunod sa saan daw kay yung paningot ko nun ay grabe.
Nakapag sila na
Sa pamilya ba? Friday or Saturday? Yeah, the back. Ano saan mo mabalik sa ano? Sunday. Sa Sunday. Daliara, no? It's fine. Kami mo, Monday niya, ani. Pero i-adjust na lang mo ang ticket sa buhol dahil ay
nakabayan mo?
Mahal, oy. Mas mahal. Ang ganda. Tapos kita rin na parang yung native feel. Kita nyo yan? Yung walls. Yung walls. Yun lang.
Wait. Ice cream cake, big motorbikes, and hot chicks. Apparently you never get too old for that. Thank you. Look at this big ice cream and an elderly gentleman eating that. See how happy he is enjoying that ice cream. Chocolate syrup, vanilla, cherries, vanilla again. and chocolate. Happy man. Never too old to enjoy ice cream. Oh, and cherry pies. Woo-hoo! Oh my God.
There's a star in there. It's so nice. Starfish. Napaka low tide, guys. See? Val, kan ik finna plats?